Okay, so this taskbar music visualizer is going crazy over Reddit, and I know that you want it. It's called FluentFlyout, and you can easily switch tracks and have this nice looking visualizer as well, which honestly makes your desktop look even better. So why the wait?
So first, I want you to click the link in the description, and you should be in this GitHub repo. From here, just scroll down a little until you see the installation section. Now you got two options here. You can either use the Microsoft installer and install it, which is the easiest way you can get it, or you can download it from GitHub. So just choose whichever one you like. For me personally, I hate using the Microsoft Store, so I'm going to download it from GitHub. You can read these steps here if you want, or just follow me and I'll show you how to do it in less than a minute. First, click the link and download the file wherever you want. Alright, it's done. Now, minimize the browser, open File Explorer, and head to the place where you saved it. Once you're there, click the zip file, and then click on this button here to extract it. After that's done, you can delete the zip file as well if you want. Now, open the folder, and then open this folder right here. From here, you need to find this folder that has certificate written on it. Double-click it, then click on Open, and after that, click Install Certificate. Choose Local Machine since this is a local machine. Then choose this option, click on Browse, and select this big text right here. Press OK, then Next, and then just keep pressing Next and OK for whatever it asks. And we're done. Now just double-click on this file here and install it. And there it is.
So here's the home screen. If we click on Media Flyout, then it shows all the settings for this section. If we adjust the volume, then it shows the music player and the music that is being played right here. We can also change the style from here as well. I will choose style 3 for now. Next, we can disable and enable the acrylic effect from here as well, which is nice. Next, we got the compact layout. If we enable it, we can see it just got a bit thinner. We can also change the position of the media player with this: center, right, top, basically anywhere. Next, we can center the text as well with this, and now it's centered. We can also enable the scroll bar, and now we can go to any part of the video as well. Next on is the taskbar widget. If we enable it, then it shows this thing in our taskbar. To make it look even better, we can enable the background blur. Now we got a blur effect of the album cover, and to make it even better, if we enable this, we get the media controls right here. Here's another cool thing: if I enable taskbar visualizer, then from here I can see this music visualizer in my taskbar. How great is that? We can even change the position of it, and yeah, now it actually looks nice. We can also adjust the bar count as well. If I choose 6 and then play the music, then it shows them in a fat style. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at 12. What I like is that we can center the bars to make it look nice, and when it's idle, we can add a bar just to show that it exists. It kinda almost looks similar to my Kava visualizer. Okay, next, inside the system settings, we can adjust the blur here, which is nice. We can also adjust the animation speed from here as well, and even adjust the style too. And yeah, that's all available for me to show. It has more settings and customization, but you can check it out as well. If we open Task Manager and check the usage, then you can see this app uses very little CPU and only around 100 megabytes of RAM, which is actually very low compared to many other heavy apps. And if you want to open the settings again, just open Task View, right-click on it, click on Settings, and you're here. So yeah, that's it. The visualizer is actually great, and it can be very useful if you listen to music and want a quick way to adjust your music. So yeah, check it out and support the developer. And hey, the world is a crazy place, so take care of yourself. Peace.